Hello everyone. If you are a tech student or starting your tech career in 2026, so please don't skip this video. I am a second year student of Triple IT UNA, and in this video I will be showing you 5 to 6 mistakes which I personally made in first year of my college. And in this video I will be sharing these mistakes so that you can avoid them and save 2 to 3 years of your life. So I'll be showing them on Accelerator. So first of all, let me make myself a little bit smaller. Yes. So the first mistakes which everyone makes is obviously learning everything. You will have to understand that this is your brain, guys. You can't learn all these things like Python, different type of languages, and DSA and WebD, AIML. All these things you can't learn at the same time. If you will try to learn all these things, then it will get overloaded in your brain, and eventually it will create confusion. So you will not have to learn everything at the same time. Make a different type of segments, or make different type of sectors of the full year. Like this is 2026, so you should divide 2026 into 4 to 5 sectors, or 5 segments, and each month you will have to try something new. For example, if you are starting webd, so first of all, let webd clear. Let make yourself clear webd, then move to like dsa or aiml or any other project. So first thing, or first mistake which everyone makes is like learning everything. The second mistakes which everyone actually in this era makes, like it is tutorial hell. So most it is the most common mistakes that every person or every individual who is a mostly first year or second year student, they just watch videos on youtube and think like they have studied all the things, but when it actually comes to implementation, they get blank. They don't get ideas to how to implement those learnings or how to create those projects. So you don't have to just watch tutorials, you have to make projects, and by making those projects you have to learn. It is also known as learning in public. So you have to learn in public, you have to make projects and then share them on linkedin. You have to make recruiters understand that you are learning in public and you are regularly doing something new. So this is the second mistake that everyone makes. And third mistake is also this continuation of the second mistake only: no projects and only certificates. What everyone tries to think like earning more and more certificates would make recruiter think that you are a good student or you are a good performer and you will get recruited or get a job eventually. But this thing doesn't happen in actual life. What actually matters is more and more projects. The more you will build, the more companies will trust you, and eventually you will get job. So this is the important thing, like learning in public or making projects and implementation of the actual knowledge that you getting from youtube. All these things will matter a lot. Then fourth mistake that everyone makes is ignoring fundamentals and jumping to frameworks. Guys, you'll have to trust me. First of all, you have to learn all the logics or functions and all the fundamentals. Like if you are starting a language, first you have to learn the syntax, loops, and inbuilt data structure. Then you can master all the functions and all the type of different implementation of the language. So you have to move to frameworks later. First of all, you have to complete all the logic and fundamentals that are associated with that topic. Like if you are starting aiml, so first of all you have to master python, like maths, and frameworks and libraries of python. Then you have to move to core machine learning. This is the most important thing. Like you don't have to ignore fundamentals and just jump to frameworks. You have to first of all understand all the fundamentals, then eventually move to different type of topics. And the fifth one, waiting for motivation. Like guys, please trust me, this is the right time. You have to start from today onwards. No one is going to force you, or eventually after 2 to 3 years of life you will regret that you haven't started back then. So trust me, start building projects, start learning something new every day. This will eventually help you. No one is here to give you motivation on a regular basis. And if you watch different type of videos on youtube, that will not help you. like watching Sandeep Maheshwari and all these motivations will I also suggest that you can watch them, but they will not help you on a long term of basis. On a long term of basis, what eventually will help you is your consistency and discipline. So you have to be consistent and start learning everything, or start learning new things every day on a every basis. That will make you a good person, or will help you to grow in 2026. So these are the 5 mistakes that I would like to share from my side. So this is all from my side. Please like, subscribe and share if you like the video. And this is all from my side. Thank you.